I hope guys you can see that I got this really nasty scratch right there, and believe it or not, I actually got it from wearing my Cartier jewelry. My bracelet gave me this scratch, and I will try to actually buff it right now, because often people say it's almost impossible to get a scratch from Epsom leather, but I will try just simply buff it and see what's gonna happen. Right there is a scratch. I'm just trying to film it with the different equipment, and because I don't have anything with me right now, I'm just simply gonna use the Hermes felt, and that's what I'm gonna do. The lighting is absolutely horrible, so I'm not sure if I can capture it, but I will try my best. Excuse my setting over here, guys. I don't have anything with me right now here because I'm on my trip, and I literally decided, what if I gonna buff it, because there was a scratch, obviously I show you, but it wasn't as deep, so it was just kind of more, I mean, it didn't change much the structure, deep structure of the pressed leather. It's more on the top, so I thought if it's on the top, most likely I can just kind of buff it up. It looks like it's actually buffing off quite nicely. So I would say if you didn't get the scratch that deep enough, like that you completely rip off the layer of the leather, it's very easily also can be buffed off from the Epsom, because often people saying that, oh, Epsom is impossible to repair. If you scratch it kind of like top layer of the scratch, not really ripping off the leather, it looks like very easily. I don't know if you can see it. I think it was somewhere over there, yeah. And you can see right now there is literally no scratch. Oh, right now you can see all the layers of the skin in quite nice condition. Maybe just a little bit over there. I will do a little bit more of the buffing, and hopefully it will go away. So that's where the scratch was. You can see it's much more improved because I was trying to put the same setting. Let me just buff it a little bit more and see if it's gonna gone completely. So I buffed some more, and I believe the scratch is literally almost completely gone. I mean, I know where the scratch was, so if I try it really hard, I might be able to place it where it was. But let's say if somebody who doesn't know, or just looking at the bag for the first time, you could never guess if there was any kind of scratch on this bag. So it's possible to fix scratch on Epsom leather, just even at home, simply by buffing. In case, I would say buffing is your very best friend when it comes to maintaining the good health of your handbag. And I got this nasty scratch from wearing my Cartier bracelets. It was just accidentally I scratched it with my Cartier bracelets. So I hope that it was useful for you guys. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.